Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone A2 5G, with glowing feather design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.72-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 91.4% screen to body ratio, 680 nits peak brightness, with approximately 392 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with the 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle camera. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 13.1 screen. On top the device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12 GB extended RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options: mystery black, glowing green, violet colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO A2 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 63,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 69,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO A2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.